What them a go do ya now? New link and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link.
Bless up on yourself and viewers and subscribers. I don't know, so they attacking boss. They are in a New Link from New Link Production. So viewers and subscribers, I don't know if you watch any of my vlogs and ever hear me tell us, boy, sometimes when I see some incident took place and happen where some old people, some grues, some death may occur to them, like, you know what I mean, gunshot and this and that, and you think and I wonder, you that say, yo, I can't them pass or aunt them or something, you know what I mean? Well, viewers and subscribers, I'm telling the truth, a lot of time you see some old man or some, you know what I mean, some things happen to them people, me I tell you this. Yo, them do some things when them did younger, and them even continue doing it while they are old, same way people. And me I tell you, say, not everybody going to take it lightly. Well, viewers and subscribers, now it's about an incident where them say took place down in a Portland, you know, people, with a 82-year-old man who was executed, basically, people, you understand, at his house. And people, when me go into this story and I want to read everything too, you know, boy, when I go think, when I go wonder, when I go say, Jaja. Maybe we don't go say them deserve it. Maybe some of us say them too wicked. But all I can tell the people, boy, it's a tough one. So get into this new link. The daughter speaking now, people. Listen. Dad is a pervert. Daughters of murdered ex-cop believe he molested 12-year-old. So this man, you know, was also a ex-cop, people. 82-year-old man, ex-cop and thing. You understand? Yeah. And the daughter say she believe him do it. Now me are going to the story. Though grieving for their murdered father, Julie and Lauren Bennett believe their dad, 82-year-old Leonard Bennett, was a pervert. Jaja. Bennett, who was gunned down on Monday, was wanted by the police for sexually molesting a 12-year-old girl almost 5 years ago. Say my 82 now, that mean him do that when him a how much? Him do that when him a 77. Oh my pearl, oh my precious new link. Old boy a strike. Julie said her father had fled Dallas Castle St. Andrew after he was out on bail. Oh, in runway. We miss him because he was our father, and it hurts to see him lose his life like that. But I have to speak the truth. He was accused of sleeping with little girl, and we believe he did it, she said. We cuss him over it and him deny it, but we always see the little girl by the yard, and it's not the first time him name call up on things like that. Him go jail and spend a little time and get bail, and him just run away to Portland. She said a similar accusation cost him his job in the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, decades ago. John no star, so this man up to something, people. Him up to something. He loved young girls. He was a little pervert man. Jaja. After he did what he did, he started coming back to the community probably to fish out the place and hear what people were saying. On Friday, he said he come home for good, but him not even lived 3 days good before he was killed, she said. According to the police, reports on Monday, October 26, residents of Dallas Castle reported hearing explosions and summoned the police. On arrival, Bennett was found lying face down in a pool of blood with what appeared to be gunshot wounds to his face and neck. He was pronounced dead at the University Hospital of the West Indies, UWI. To make Julie and Lauren's grief greater, Bennett was killed approximately 72 hours after their mother, Dolores Hibbert, passed away at the UWI. I'm almost mad because my mother just dead, and then this happened. It's strong why me dey here so stand up. Me miss my father, you know, but me miss my mother bad because she was everything to us, Julie said. Lauren said Bennett had fathered more than a dozen children, including 8 with Hibbert. She stated that he had done a great job at taking care of his family until he left the family home when she was a teen. Following his departure from the JCF, the former district constable won millions in the lottery, but had allegedly squandered the majority of it. Jaja, Papa waste money. Meanwhile, Cynthia June Edwards, the grandmother of the girl Bennett allegedly molested, still offered condolences. Although things went wrong and he hurt my granddaughter, I still feel it for him. My granddaughter went through a lot and she has tried to put everything behind her, she said. Before the incident, he was my friend and someone who I thought I could trust. He never spoke to me about what happened or anything. Jaja. So viewers and subscribers, my correction. So he went to Portland, right? After him go up and bail for something where him done, them saying done 5 years ago pertaining to the 12-year-old. And him run from the district, go Portland. Then maybe after 5 years him feel say everything good now and him come back people, and as well the data say he must squat around for your people and say in a community, and him did their bill. And just 3 days, you understand, after him then at the place, the man them execute him, bust up him face with bullets and thing. You know what I mean? So when I look into it, viewers and subscribers, based on to the fact is, he know that if he did stay after him do that to the little girl, the mother do him something. But 5 years after he make a move, people, him come back and maybe he feels everything good and people forgot about that. But this is Jamaica. This is Jamaica. It could have taken 10 years, 20 years, people, even if the man who did want him was an old man, the old man are going to pass it on to a younger man and them are going to say him. And words are going to talk and people, this is Jamaica, as me tell you. Them are going to get him out, and that's what they did. Zin, in the end, viewers and subscribers, him own daughters, them who love him, attack, and they can say, yes, my dad is a pervert, is a man, you understand, who would do anything like that, and they can't put anything past him, because this is not the first, and that is what they said cost him his job. You understand, when he used to be a district constable in the Jamaica Constabulary Force decades ago, according to what they said. So viewers and subscribers, this man deserve an attack. Him gone, it's sad for no say yes, them take out him life like that, because I give no one the rights, you understand, to brutally do somebody like that. But still, people, him deserve an attack. You understand? Because me tell you, enough look, all man did the fish around and do them something, you know. You get me? Because it seem like when them all, he island them back turn up more. You know, he like them they not release enough when them the younger, when them all I saw the aisle come in more, which me believe say the aisle that get look a cake up, but they come like them man, like them a drink up so much roots and so much thing, people, and the aisle cake up more, them want it so much. Zin? So viewers and subscribers, it's sad as me tell you, know say them take out a life and think, people, but him cause it on himself. And this is something where I do a long time, because him in job in the JCF. Luckily he won the lottery, and he went out of them say people he squander the money. So maybe him squander a bag of girl and them something. I don't know when do it people, but enough man do it. Him is not the first one who won the lottery and do the same thing. But all I can say, viewers and subscribers, this man have him a high risk of nature for picking it. You understand? And he would consider a predator. And if he was in certain state, people, he would manage even if he go up and bail, you know. Luckily at Jamaica and there and get bail, because maybe they never have enough evidence or this and that. But me know them could have do this such and such people. And he managed to run when in dep and bail. If you tell us that this man you know, no say him do it. You see? Him do it. And see it there? Him gone, the man them, boy, me I tell the viewers and subscribers. But the parents of this young girl, people, they know what happened, people. And you feel so them not feel a way about it. Imagine them know saying come back, you know what I mean? Them are going to feel a way about it, people. Because in the end, you do something to someone like that at the age of 12-year-old. This is going to affect her, people. You understand that? Especially when if she's still in the community and she see him come back now. You know she's going to feel? She's going to feel threatened, because now she's supposed to be, say, 17 then. She's going to feel so threatened, you understand, after what he did to her in the past. So it's not like something where she can forget about, you know. So boy, I tell the people him cause it on himself, and me not joke, man, him still get the attack for you, old boy. Zane, me sorry as me tell you say for the way how them take your life, but attack for you for the life where they live and you could change. Zane, because this is the way you pick them, say it's something where you practice, something where you continue, and you cause it on yourself. And any old man out there who have these high risk of pitney nature, me are telling you, you need to get rid of it before it control you know, and take over. You need to tap drink up them bag of roots that wanna drink if I eat a release the aisle kick up on the back. You understand? And if you not take some of them pills something there, them via something there, you know, if you take it then leave it alone. Go rest. You better wanna go beat it from papa tree or something. You understand? But leave it alone. Look what you do now. You cast upon yourself, make them and them bust out the face and tear out with them big old at the age of 82. You don't deserve to get them, but you cause it upon yourself. You get me? I say, in your last days, you should have relax. You should have look a lot of money now. You can go up on a cruise. You can go there so with a picnic them and go enjoy yourself. Go up on a hotel, go and chill. You waste the money, squander the money and see what happens now. Only just season now. That means you never done a great investment. Oh my world, oh my precious New Link. Look where all grandpapa cast upon himself. Look where all picnic predator. Oh my New Link finish it. Viewers and subscribers, you don't know the thing going on, man. You don't know, say they're attacking boss there in a New Link from New Link production, people. And there's more love, you know, and more respect. respect, you know, viewers and subscribers, and just be good and be great out there, you know. You understand? Inna you're going out, inna you're coming in. Remember, New Link tell you that people, and in this time where we live now, people, as me tell you now, you can't trust people. You understand? Be careful of them, because your granny said to you know, say she trusts him that much and she not expect that from him. But look, as me tell you, say Jamaica is a place right now, people. You can't trust nobody. You understand? Not even the dog, not even the puss, not even the cow. Don't trust no one. And remember, just practice that and carry it inside. Not trust nobody, man. Zane, don't trust nobody. So before me go, people, I just want to say happy Earth Strong to one of my real viewers and subscribers, a brother who goes by the name Peter Harmer. You understand? Yeah, man, is one of the realest viewers, them, and you know what I mean, pan the channel thing and subscriber people. So happy Earth Strong, Peter, man. Just we shall live to see many more, and just more guidance and more blessings and more respect. You understand? If you don't subscribe already, people, you know, just subscribe now, man, and hit up the bell notifications as New Link drop the video, them you can get them. And remember, follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, New Link Production. You understand? Yeah, man, you need to follow me on Instagram, because that's where I post a lot of my videos that I can't post it on YouTube. So there you can see my videos that I can't post it on YouTube because of the guidelines here, and Facebook also. You understand? So more love, more respect. And if you do want to contribute to our channel, we also have a PayPal link below, and there you can make a contribution towards the channel for our improvements and giving you better work. You understand? So from me to you, it's New Link Production, the attacking boss. Attack, our grandpa Pete the Predator. Attack. Peace out.